This is task 2 part 2. In this introduction we're just going to look at understanding what the task involves. So we've got some restaurants in the shopping centre, and what they want to do is they want to analyse how many people are eating at their restaurants in the evenings for any given month in a year. Now we're going to be focusing on February, and there's a reason for that, because February has issues with leap years. But it could be any month that they ask for, so this needs to be able to work for any month. Now it tells us here that Caverna has 44 seats and 3 sittings. La Grille has 34 seats and 2 sittings. Now what this means is that in total La Grille could serve up to 68 people, 2 lots of 34 in an evening, and we call those covers. Covers are the number of people that could be served in that evening. So there's a file called covers.csv. We'll just open that up and have a quick look, and that contains this exact data here, and it shows the number of people who were actually served. Okay, so the number of covers who were served rather than the possible covers. So these are the number of people who were actually served during the month of February in 2010, 2011, all the way through to 2016. So we're comparing the same month, but in different years. Now what the restaurant want to do is they want to calculate the percentage of the usage over the possible usage. So this is my finished version, and here these are the number of people that were actually served, and we've done some interim calculations over here that calculate the number of potential seats in each month of each year, and you can see that most of them have got 28 days in the month, but in leap years we've got 29 days, and it uses that, the number of days, multiplied by the number of seats multiplied by the sittings. Well, what it does, it takes the possible covers, multiplies it by the number of days, and that tells us how many possible covers they could have in a month. And then what we do then is it divides the actual covers, so 2561 by, in this case, 3696, to find a percentage, and this is the percentage usage that each restaurant has had during those years. So if we have a look at it, for example, Dilshad did very well in February 2013. It hasn't done very well in February 2015 and 16, and so I want to have a look at that and see what were the issues that caused it. Later on in the question you're then going to be asked to produce a graph and do some colour coding. Well, here's the colour coding which you'll need to do, and basically anything that was less than average needs to be highlighted in orange. Then you'll need to do a graph where you'll be able to select any restaurant, and when you select the restaurant it will put the covers in here and show a graph of those number of covers. So that's what the task actually involves. So the next tutorial will take you through the first part of it, which is going to be looking at the actual usage worksheet and how we make those calculations.